everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see what is inside of this big bag. See if I can get it open here. Oh, we got lots and lots of stuff in this bag. Cut that. We get everything out here. Okay, give it a little shake. Alright. Get it turned around. Alright, I'll be right back and I'll let you know who this is from. Right, I am back. This is from BiggestCraft store. And it will be in 3 parts. So this is part 1. And part 2 will be tomorrow. And then part 3 will be the day after that. So let's get started with what is in here. I have been trying to get one of these. This is one of the beaded cross stitches, just like the Pikachu, because every time I order it, they don't have it in stock from wherever it is that I'm ordering it. So I finally got one. Alright. And it's one of the little keychains. I don't know if you can see the picture. It's kind of white. But it does have a keychain, or you can just hang it up there. You know, like hang it on your wall or whatever. It comes in a nice little kit. Does even have the stuffing here. And an extra piece of something or other. Let's open it up and see what is in the kit. This kit was $3.99. So the other day I thought they were like closer to $5, but they're not. They're only about $3 or $4. So it looks like it's 2 colors, 3 maybe. Yep, okay. But yeah, one of those real cute little things on that plastic canvas. Comes with black. Comes with pink. Comes with white and pink and black. Little tiny beads. Don't know my colors today. Comes with a little plastic bag. And in there you have the keychain. You have the jump loop. It comes with a regular, like, tapestry needle. And there are 4 of the bead needles in there. And it comes with black, pink, and white like floss. And I don't know that you can see this or not, but there is some of the fishing wire. It's very hard to see. I don't have anything dark, but yeah, it comes with the wire, not wire, like fishing line to sew it together so it's invisible in there. Now whether I use that, we'll have to see, because I've never finished one of these, so it'll be interesting. But I got this for my granddaughter. I thought she would just absolutely love it. So we'll see if she's not a princess. I think we're on the right track. So let me get a hold of all of this and put the beads together, because I'd hate to lose it at this point. So, not very expensive. They have all different kinds. It depends what store you go to. Some have a wide variety, others not a big, huge variety. And I like it comes with the fiber fill. I do have a great big bag of fiber fill that I bought. I'm not real sure why I bought it. Very easy to read patterns. And here's some of the others. Not that they have all these at the store. Yeah. But they're just cute. I like them. Alright. And the next thing today is, I'm going to get it out of the thing so you can see it in all of its glory. It's a DIY cross stitch. Trying not to talk while I move the plastic. But there you go. Look at those bright colored fish. Aren't they beautiful? Now this is kind of big. Looks like it's got some 310 to it. Looking for the hang on. Yep, the paper is buried. Hang on. Okay, we'll just move you since you couldn't cooperate here. It does have a nice big pattern. This has 25 colors. It is, there's the product number again, that's 697. It's 40 by 70, it's 129 by 259. And it does have a nice big chart here. This entire chart will match your canvas. So that's very nice. It has a lot of that background, which is 310 black. It has 310 black, 820, no 939, and some 3371, and no 3865. So these are all the colors of the threads. Very nice. This would have to be blown up. I mean, as big as it is, you know, just so you could see it. It is very well printed, but it's a little confusing, so I would definitely blow it up so you could get a better idea of what the pattern looked like, and if you're looking for a certain symbol. Let's look at all them beautiful colors. Don't see any big hanks. Hang on, I'm trying to get a hold of it. Lots of red. But there's a big old hank of, there's probably 40 strands there of that 310 black. Dog's over there sneezing. I was like, what in the world? A little gold, but look at those reds and the blues. And if that isn't enough, you got more over here. Look at that bright, vivid orange. Isn't that just awesome? Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Loving it. Yes, it is just beautiful. Look at all those colors together. They're just going to pop on that black. This is another case of the black will make the picture. Now you did get 3 needles here instead of 2. So that's nice. But it is long and skinny. Very nice big key. Very darkly printed onto the fabric. It might be a little bit confettied. Not bad though, because it looks like things run in rivers, you know, because of the way that those fins look and the swirl of the fish and stuff. But there's some big areas. Lots and lots of black. Oh my goodness. But I'm glad that they have a nice big key. It's easy to see what symbol is what. And very well printed onto the canvas. But yeah, it's going to be a hot moment. It'll be a hot moment. Let's see how big this is. Where? Oh, I couldn't find my stupid tape measure. It says 40 by 70. And it's got like 2.5 to 2 inches to 2.5 inch wide. What do you call it? Margins, edges around the whole picture. So that's a good thing. It is dang near right on 70. Within a hair's breadth. And this way, it's right on 40. The actual size, now it's got a little lump here, so we're trying to go through it, is 59.5. So that's like 23.5. So it's not too wide, so it is 29.5, which is 11 and about 11 3/4 wide. So it's not, it's nice and skinny and long, but there's a lot of stitching in that. And unfortunately, you'd have to stitch that black. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, probably, because otherwise it'd just be a bright colored fish. Yeah, the black is what makes this. But just beautiful, nice heavy canvas. It is not serged all the way around, but does have, like I said, wide, trying to get to the other end here, wide edges. There you go. Just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. All right. And that's it for round 1. Now, BiggestCraft, they have free shipping over $49. They usually have some kind of a discount on their site, but they have really good prices. I have bought from them personally. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have cross-stitch and pre-stamped and counted. They have cross-stitch crafts and tools. They have beaded cross-stitch. Now, I don't know if they have any of the pictures. They do have the keychains, so I don't know if they have some of those little pictures. There's maybe 5 or 6 of them. They have embroidery, and they also have a clearance section, so if you're looking to save a lot of money, then they have a section for that. And they always have a lot of new arrivals, so do check them out. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for sending me these beautiful, awesome projects. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.